Good morning, children. So today we'll learn something about active and passive voice. This is lesson number 12. It's there in your first term. So there are two ways to express an action of a subject in relation to its object. And these two ways are, it could be in the active voice or it could be in the passive voice. So there are two ways, children, like to express an action of a subject in relation to its object. See how? This way it's going to be easy to understand. If you're going to take this one simple example, my mother cooked the dinner. My mother cooked the dinner. Here this is the subject. We are talking about whom? My mother. So my mother is the subject. And in this sentence, the subject is the doer of the action. This is in the active voice. That is why this is in the active voice, because the subject is the doer of the action. My mother cooked what? When you get the answer of what or whom from the verb, then that is the object. My mother cooked what? The dinner. Now in the passive voice, this object becomes the subject. And in this case, this subject is not the doer of the action. Rather than this is the receiver of the action. Like how, see, dinner has not done anything. The dinner was cooked by my mother. Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. You got it? In active voice, the subject is the doer of the action. In the passive voice, it is not the doer of the action. The dinner has not done anything. Mother has cooked the dinner, Mother cooked the dinner, so this dinner is the receiver. Mother is the active form. In the first sentence, because this is a subject, so this is the doer of the action, the subject. And in this case, when this object becomes subject in the passive form, then this is not the doer of the action. So keep in mind, see, there is no change in the meaning of the sentence. And there is no change of the tense also, because cooked was in the simple past tense. So when you're going to change simple past tense into the passive voice, then you have to add helping verbs like was, were according to the subject, and then the verb's third form is going to be there. Cook, cooked, cooked. So third form is also cooked. So this way we are going to do some more examples. But before that, I want you all to draw a table or a chart along with me so that you can understand what are the the simple rules to change. Like if simple past is there, what are the rules you can change it into passive. Now see, in this sentence, you have to see as a student, if you are going to get this sentence, he plays cricket. First of all, you will find out the verb is in which tense. See, the verb is in the first form. It means this is simple present tense. He plays cricket. Here the subject is he. He is the doer of the action and the object is cricket. He plays what? Cricket. And this object beta in the passive voice, this is going to become subject. So cricket, because this was simple present tense, so simple present tense, you have to add the helping verb is, am, are according to the subject. So this is going to be cricket is played, third form, by him. You have to add the preposition by. And he, see, the pronoun also changed according to the sentence. Cricket is played by, he is not going to be there. He will change into him. So these were the simple basic things. Now we are going to learn about the rules. Like simple present change, what rules are there for changing simple present tense into passive? What rules are there for simple past tense? Then present continuous tense. Once you are going to learn the rules, then this is very easy for you to do. This is really very interesting. So you can also draw this and you can use the colorful pens to make your English 1 notebook more colorful. I wish your notebook should be very colorful so that you open and try to learn the things. So let's start with that. Now on this side of the notebook, you can draw this way. You have to divide your paper into two parts like this. See, you can use a scale for drawing this thing. And one margin is already drawn. So this way you have to write here tenses and active voice and this side passive voice. And what this table is meant for, this is